To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to the chat where you want to send the photo. Next, tap the paperclip icon in the message box. Select camera to take a new photo, or gallery to choose an existing one. From your gallery, select the photo you want to send. You will then see a one icon inside a circle next to the send button. Tap on it. Review the feature details, then tap OK to proceed. After that, tap the send button. And your disappearing photo will be sent to the recipient. Once the recipient receives and opens the photo, they can view it a single time, and it won't be saved to their device. Screenshots and screen recordings are blocked, ensuring an added layer of privacy. This will be beneficial when you want to share sensitive or temporary content that you don't want the recipient to save, screenshot, or access more than once. And that's how you can easily send disappearing photos on WhatsApp using the View Once feature.